Have you ever wondered if you're genetically predisposed to live a long and healthy life? Well, thanks to advancements in science, we now know that genetics plays a significant role in determining our lifespan. The good news is that there are things you can do to improve your odds of living a long and happy life, regardless of your genetic makeup. So buckle up and get ready to learn how genetics influence your longevity and what you can do about it. Hi, I'm the co-founder of a Center for Healthy Longevity. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how genetics influence your longevity. Picture this. You look at the family tree and notice a pattern of many relatives passing away prematurely from heart disease. On the other hand, you see your friends' family members seemingly defying the odds, living well into their 90s and even beyond. You start to wonder, is longevity in your genes? The answer is yes. Genetics play a significant role in determining your lifespan, but they don't tell the whole story. While you can't alter your DNA, you have more control over your lifestyle than you might think. So let us uncover the secrets of your genes and explore what you can do to increase your longevity, regardless of your genetic makeup. Let's break down the impact of genetics on longevity. We all inherit half of our genetic material from our mothers and the other half from our fathers. Our DNA contains approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes that carry instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. These genes are arranged on structures called chromosomes. Typically, we have 46 chromosomes in all of our cells, with 23 pairs. One chromosome from each pair comes from our mother and the other from our father. However, sometimes things can go wrong during this transmission. Sometimes our chromosomes can be damaged or altered. For instance, certain genes like the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes have been linked to an increased risk of breast and ovarian cancer. If you inherit a mutated copy of one of these genes from one of your parents, you may be at a higher risk of developing these cancers. Similarly, there are genes related to longevity, meaning that if you inherit certain gene variants associated with shorter lifespans, you might be more susceptible to age-related diseases or conditions, potentially leading to an earlier death. On the flip side, inheriting longevity genes can be beneficial. Some people inherit genetic variations that protect them against age-related diseases, allowing them to live longer, healthier lives. In fact, researchers have identified several regions in our genome that seem to be associated with exceptional longevity. Studies show that individuals with certain genetic markers like those found on chromosomes for 6, the 9th and the 19th of May have a higher chance of living past 100. But remember, genetics is just one piece of the puzzle. It doesn't guarantee anything. It's important to note that while genetics play a crucial role in longevity, they're not the only factor at play. Environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and random events also contribute to our lifespan. Many studies show that lifestyle modifications such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management can help mitigate the negative effects of harmful genes. Even if you've inherited a genetic variant linked to shorter lifespan, you can still take steps to protect yourself and potentially live longer than expected. Now let's talk about how you can find out your genetic risk factors for longevity. Genetic testing can reveal valuable insights into your risk factors for various health conditions, including those related to longevity. By analyzing your DNA, these tests can identify genetic variations associated with a higher risk of developing certain diseases. For example, some genetic variants can indicate a heightened risk of cardiovascular diseases or neurodegenerative disorders. Armed with this knowledge, you can take proactive steps to manage your health. By making positive lifestyle changes and seeking regular checkups, you can effectively monitor and potentially reduce your risk. Regular checkups allow for early detection and intervention, which is crucial when dealing with genetic risk factors. Early intervention can make all the difference, allowing you to address potential issues before they become major problems. Stay informed, stay proactive, and prioritize your well-being. By understanding your genetic makeup and working closely with healthcare professionals, you can navigate your risk factors effectively and strive for a healthier, better life. But what does it actually mean to get tested? Let me tell you about a groundbreaking test that analyzes over 7 million genetic markers. This test goes beyond what traditional ancestry services offer. It delves deep into your DNA to reveal your unique genetic code. Unlike ancestry tests, which focus on your ethnic origins, this test focuses on your health and wellness. It examines your genetic variations, providing insights into your predisposition to certain conditions and informing the best diet and fitness regimen for you. Additionally, this test offers information about your carrier status for genetic disorders, helping you plan your family in a more informed way. This test truly empowers you with knowledge about your own genetic makeup, enabling you to make proactive choices about your health and well-being. Now let's dive into what you can do to boost your longevity regardless of your genetic makeup. You can find ways to mitigate the risks associated with harmful genes and potentially extend your lifespan. Let's explore 5 evidence-based strategies that can help you live longer and healthier lives. Number 1, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A nutritious diet is the foundation of healthy living. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. A balanced diet provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. To further enhance your dietary approach, consider adopting the following: intermittent fasting, periodic prolonged fasting, targeted ketogenic diet, vegan diet, vegetarian diet, or the flexitarian diet. Each of these eating patterns has its own benefits and can complement a balanced diet to promote healthy aging and longevity.
Ow.
No. 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is essential for maintaining physical and mental health as you age. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity, aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week, along with muscle strengthening exercises targeting all major muscle groups twice a week. Regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health, boosts immune function, and helps maintain a healthy body weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Number 3, manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental health. Practice stress management techniques such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These practices can help reduce stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and enhance overall well-being, contributing to a longer, healthier life. Number 4, prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep is vital for cellular repair, immune function, and hormone regulation. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure a comfortable sleep environment. Adequate sleep promotes healthy aging by supporting cellular regeneration and protecting against age-related cognitive decline and diseases. 5. Connect with others and maintain strong social connections. Social support is an essential factor in healthy aging. Nurture relationships with family and friends, engage in community activities, and seek support when needed. Strong social connections provide emotional support, reduce feelings of loneliness, and promote a sense of belonging, which positively impacts mental and overall health and contributes to longevity. Remember, even if you have genes linked to shorter lifespan, you're not destined to an early grave. By incorporating these evidence-based strategies into your life, you can actively work towards mitigating the negative effects of your genes and increasing your longevity. Embrace a holistic approach that combines a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, quality sleep, and strong social connections. While genetics plays a part in determining your lifespan, it's not the entire story. With the right mindset and consistent effort, you can take charge of your health and potentially live longer than you might expect. To learn more about the science of longevity and evidence-based strategies for healthy aging, visit our website, join our newsletter, and stay updated on the latest research and insights. Take the first step towards a longer, healthier life today.